The stock market continues to fall. Some people are afraid to invest. What if there was someone to do the research for you to take the fear out of investing? A Port Washington company has started a website that does just that. Timothy Thompson is here this morning from channelingstocks.com to talk about his website and the market. Timothy, thanks for being here.
Thank you very much, Mark.
With the market and its wild swings the last couple of months, is this a good time to be an investment counselor?
Well, with the channeling stock theory, regardless of how the market on the whole does, you're able to make money in the market. The channeling stock theory simply is if you can picture in your mind a stock that goes from $1 to $2, back down to $1, back up to $2, that area between the $1 and $2 is what they call the channel. And it's in that part that you're going to want to buy and sell your stock. And you'll want to buy it at $1, sell it at $2. And our tagline is buy and sell the same stock again and again.
Are your clients a little more tentative the last month or so with the market where it is in making investments, or are they a little more fearful when they talk to you?
Well, it's interesting because in the last 3 months, we have done as much business as we did all of last year. And what that says to us is a couple of things. First off, that the site is providing the information that the customer is looking for, and that also that there are people out there looking for alternative investment strategies. You see, everybody can tell you when to buy a stock. No one knows when to sell it. And with our strategy, before you even buy that stock, you know at what point you're going to sell it. And it takes the fear out of investing in the market.
Has your job become harder with the market swings, or does this theory of channeling stocks remain the same and basically your job's the same?
Well, in essence, it's almost made our job a bit easier because we're always watching stocks and we're waiting for some to come down, and as a lot of people know, a lot of them have been coming down, so it's almost making it easier for us at this point to find these stocks that actually channel.
So are there opportunities out there still for some short-term growth, or is it basically a long-term situation?
Well, with channeling stocks, it's strictly short-term. Anywhere from a day to a week to a month. I mean, buy and hold to us, if you're holding it for over 3 months, you probably bought the wrong one. If anybody wants to take a look at a stock that would fall into this category, NPRO is a symbol. And if you look at a one-year chart for NPRO, you'll see a stock that goes from $6 to $8 consistently, probably for over a year.
Is there a more dominant age group or gender group that makes up your clientele, or is it all over the board?
It's all over the board, and it's interesting because the theory itself isn't new. We just had someone sign up last week Friday and put a little comment on the bottom that said, I did this 40 years ago and it worked. So it's not a new theory by any stretch of the imagination. It's just becoming more in the light of the public eye. So.
Because of the low numbers, some of the scary numbers out there on Wall Street, a lot of people are talking about just getting out of the market entirely. From what you're telling me, that would be, according to you, a big mistake.
Well, at this point right here, again, we don't say invest your life savings into this theory, but if for all the people that are on the sidelines looking for something to do, it's a way to get in there in a safe strategy. Now, you don't have to be an expert in investment person to be able to do this. It works for the novice all the way up to the most experienced. So anybody can do it, and that's another selling point, that it is that easy.
If you'd like to get in on this theory of channelingstocks.com, do it on the web, www.channelingstocks.com. Timothy Thompson, one of the founders of channelingstocks.com. Thanks for talking with us today.
Thank you, Mark.
We appreciate you being here. It's 8:13 right now.